from Nelson Bay. I get down from that side. You see that bus? Yeah, the same bus. And I am here now on the other side, waiting for the bus that is going straight to the Charlestown. According to Google Map, it's around 50 minutes. Yeah, with a lot of stops to get there, but it's just one ride, so I think it is okay. And the train station is just on the other side. The Google Map is reliable here. Also, there is a timings here. We are now here in Charlestown Square. Yeah, mate, I actually have this. Yeah, if you remember, this is the gift card from the company, and it has $100 that I am going to spend. Nice. I like McDonald's, I like KFC, Thai also, but very less option. Yeah, I think I'm going to take this one, Japanese. This is $7.50. And you know, until now I don't know how to use the chopstick. Yeah, I don't really have plan of buying anything. But let's go here in Big W. This is the same like Kmart, Target. I didn't found anything that I like, and I don't want to buy clothes or t-shirt or pants. I am really a big fan of electronics gadgets, so we are going inside this JB Hi-Fi. So if you can see, it's not straight anymore, and it's affecting the sound. That's why I bought this new earphone headset. I also want to have a haircut. And I found three barbershop. No, barbershop. But the people who cut the hair are ladies. Yeah, I found 3, and the 2 are the haircut for men is $30, and then I found one and just $15. But there are just 2 ladies who do cutting the hair, and I asked them, and they said they are fully booked. Yeah, I don't know, maybe they don't just like to cut my hair because it's just $15. I don't know, man. But it's okay, because you know, I also wanted to make my hair a little longer, because I want to make it braided, and so that I can hide the baldness. With this headset, you don't really hear the voice, the sound from outside. Yeah, now back to Salamander Shopping Center, but they are closed already, and most of the shops there are closed already. The only open are the Kmart, Walmart, and the other grocery, Kohl's, Aldi also, and McDonald's here. 1 bedroom, Corlet, fully furnished, plus utilities, $250 per week. And this one, entertainment unit, TV, contents not included. Yeah, nice. It's how much? $150. Yeah, there's this bike. This bike is a mountain bike, Ripco, just 1 year old, $150. Hey guys, good morning. It is now 5:40 in the morning. I'm going to work. I think I've seen a kangaroo or something animal, dead animal in that way. I will have a look. Oh yeah, it's a kangaroo. that's sad. Oh man. I don't know what to do. It's already dead. I think I just go. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I just finished my duty. I'm now going home. And you know, when I see the kangaroo this morning, it was there. It was lying in there. Yeah. I am not sure if it's dead or it's just sleeping. But you know, in this area, I don't know where they live, those kangaroos and koala. There are just very small bushland in this area. Behind that is a bushland. This is a bushland, and on the other side there, in this area, the one with a lot of kangaroos. Oh sorry, because I have this look. Yeah, in this area, in this Port Stephen, Nelson Bay, Shoal Bay area, the one with the most kangaroos in the golf course. Yeah. Yeah, we will be just staying here to eat these fish and chips. Nice, good morning. Yeah, you know, I see another thing that is not good. These things makes me really sad. Look, there is a lorikeet here. Yeah, that is lorikeet. Sad. Wow. I'm seeing a lot of dead animals these days. Not good, mate. Antonio is a Filipino name. Antonio's barber shop. I had my hair cut there 2 times, and there is one guy that looks like a Filipino, Chinese looking. Yeah. So yeah, I think he is a Filipino. Yeah, I will find out that next time. You know, last Tuesday, this mountain, that's Tomaree mountain, it was burning. It looks like a volcano. Yeah, I didn't see it personally. I just saw it in the news. Yeah, and the people in the kitchen, they are talking about that. Yeah, they said it was very scary. Until now, they are doing some inspection. Yeah, there is a helicopter. Now I understand they are still spraying some water. Yeah, to really. Hi, good afternoon.
Boss, how are you?
Good, thanks. Yeah, they are still spraying some water so that it will be totally fire free.